Beginning has been a brand for in excess of 2 entire years now, and its G90 lead has set up itself as a feasible individual from the Extravagance Vehicle Club by utilizing a similar recipe that has worked for parent organization Hyundai consistently. Loads up auto for the cash. The G90 can be seen as the pinnacle articulation of that system. The majority of the conventional components of moving gratification are heated into this huge vehicle. For 2018, Genesis improved the substance just a bit of, making versatile LED headlights standard on the 3.3T premium trim. They were at that point standard with the 5.0-liter V8 Ultimate model tried here, giving a standard glovebox-mounted CD-DVD framework, and including another backseat diversion framework for the 5.0-liter model with 10.3-inch HD screens coordinated into the backs of the front seats. We are not safe to gluttonous solace. Our street trial of a year ago's G90 deplored the moderately little sunroof and the non-appearance of a backseat rub framework. Despite the fact that the multi-movable backseats are generally blameless, and a significant number of us are totally not interested in sunroofs, neither one of the elements has changed for 2018. The rundown of standard highlights in this G90 V8 with all-wheel drive matches the prologue to War and Peace as far as sheer length. A few features incorporate 22-way control flexibility for the driver's seat, 16 route for the front traveler, 14 path for the correct back traveler, and 12 path for the left back.